Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance, and I wanted to discuss with you insurance for tow trucks. Now, tow truck companies need to make sure that they are protected correctly. Elite Business Insurance will make sure that you meet the coverages that you're required to meet, and we basically shop around all your information through all of our carriers and our brokers, and then we have those prices underbid each other so that we find you the absolute best coverages for the absolute best price. Now, you want to make sure you're dealing with somebody with experience who knows how to cover your business around the clock. So, as a tow company, you want to make sure that you have commercial auto insurance coverage. Commercial auto will cover you for in the case that you cause bodily injury to somebody, or if you damage somebody's property while you're driving the vehicle, if you're involved in any sort of an auto accident, you're going to need that commercial auto insurance. As a tow company, that's going to be your primary risk. You're going to be hooking up autos, you're going to be hauling them from point A to point B. The majority of the time, if an accident happens, if a claim happens, that's where something's going to go wrong. So you want to make sure that you have the insurance limits that you need. If you're crossing state lines, there could be federal filings involved that you would need to carry to meet the insurance requirements of the state. So Elite Business Insurance, like I said, will find that all out for you. We'll make sure you're covered correctly for the best price. Besides the commercial auto, you're going to need on-hook towing or cargo. If you're just doing local towing, you're hooking up 1 to 2 cars, bringing them within a couple 100-mile radius, you're just going to need an on-hook towing, which it's usually what on-hook towing does is it covers the vehicles that are being towed. So once you hook up a vehicle, once it's on your truck, from that point, if you get into an accident, if that vehicle gets damaged while it's being towed, you're going to need that on-hook towing coverage. So that's usually, it covers the value of the vehicle or the value of multiple vehicles, and then you usually have a deductible. So if something was to happen to that vehicle, you'd have to pay the deductible, and then they would pay up to the actual cash value of that vehicle within your selected limits, of course. So if you have $100,000 in coverage, you have 2 cars worth $50,000, they both get destroyed somehow in an accident, that $100,000 limit will pay back for the actual cash value of those 2 cars valued at $50,000 each. Besides that, there's general liability insurance, which covers you in the case that somebody other than an employee gets injured while you're performing work somehow. And then there's garage liability, garage keeper's liability. In the case that you have a lot that you're storing the vehicles in, you want to make sure they're covered for while they're sitting there. God forbid you have somebody's vehicle in your lot and then the vehicle gets destroyed while it's parked in your lot. Your commercial auto is not going to cover that. Your on-hook towing is not going to cover that. Your general liability is not going to cover that. You're going to need a garage keeper's policy, garage liability with garage keepers included in the garage liability policy. So we specialize in the tow truck industry. We have years upon years of experience writing tow trucks across the whole United States. We specialize in the state of Florida, but we have many carriers and many markets throughout the nation where we can help shop you around and make sure that you are covered sufficiently while providing you with the best coverages for the best price. Let us earn your business. Elite Business Insurance, we will not let you down. We will give you the most information we can. We'll make sure that you are covered correctly and at a very competitive rate. 1-800-850-8819. Give us a call. Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.